Do you like living on the edge and testing new software before it's readily available and fully finalized? If so, and you own a Google Pixel phone, I have some good news for you. Google recently released Android 13 Beta 1 to the public for anyone to install and test as long as they like living on the bleeding edge. I'm Jason Cipriani, and in this ZDNet how-to video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and install Android 13 Beta 1 or any beta throughout the rest of the program on your Pixel device. So as you probably noticed, I said Pixel device a few times there, and that's the major caveat to the current Android 13 beta program is that Google is limiting it, as they've always done, to their Pixel phones. So I have a Pixel 5a here. It is eligible for the Android 13 beta program, and according to Google's official list, the Pixel 4 and newer are eligible. So Pixel 4, Pixel 5, Pixel 6, and any of the A versions in those series are available along with the larger like Pro or XL versions as well. So if you have a Pixel phone and you want to live on the bleeding edge, like I said earlier, you're more than welcome to sign up for it and install it. All right, here's a huge warning I must emphasize greatly to you, and that is when you install Android 13, whether it's Beta 1 or Beta 4 before the official release, you can go back to Android 12 in the latest official stable release of that. However, in doing so, you will have to completely wipe and factory reset your Pixel device. And Google has warned that some Android 12 backups cannot be restored after you've installed Android 13, or backups created when you're on Android 13 cannot be restored when you go back to Android 12. So with that in mind, you should expect to have to factory reset and completely start over if you decide to leave the beta program before official release, which Google currently says will happen sometime after July. If you're okay with all of that and you still want to take part in the beta program, here's what you need to do. You'll have to visit the website google.com/android/beta. You'll want to log in with the same Google account that you're currently using on your Pixel phone. And then after you log in, you'll see that there is an Android beta for Pixel page, and then there's an option for view your eligible devices. Before you jump down to that section, what I recommend doing is reading through all of this text. It's not a lot that Google has here, and it's mainly this warning here of before you enroll. And this is the warning I just gave you a couple of minutes ago, and that is you cannot go back and save all of your data easily. I mean, it is possible, maybe in theory, but you should expect to have to start over. So once you go down to your eligible devices, again, if you're okay with all of that, you'll have a few thumbnails here of eligible devices. I have several Pixel devices. I've already opted into a few different beta programs on them, but the Pixel 5a that I currently have in my hand here is not enrolled in anything. So what I'll do is I'll click on the giant blue opt-in button. And now I have two options. Google recently rolled out an Android 12 beta program, even though Android 12 is currently out, that allows Pixel users to preview the quarterly updates that also include the Pixel drop, feature drop that Google has been doing for a little bit. We're not going to worry about that right now. So what I'll do is actually click on the Android 13 beta program and read through that. I'm good with it. Review terms. I'll click on that. Once again, read through the terms and conditions. You don't have to check the first two boxes here, but you do have to check the bottom one that says you agree to the terms of the beta program. Click on confirm and enroll. All right, so literally that's the entire process of signing up for the beta program. And as you can see here, the device is now enrolled. And I'll click OK, and it gives you some instructions on where to go to find the update. So I'll click OK, and we'll go back. You can now see on the Android beta website that my device is enrolled. But here on the Pixel 5a, what I need to do is I need to go into the Settings app. I need to go down to the bottom, tap on System, and then System Update. Now, once in a while, this can take a few minutes for the Android 13 beta to show up on your device. Sometimes it's instantly. Again, sometimes it could take a few minutes. So now I'm in here. It says your system is up to date. I'll go ahead and tap on check for update. Oh, look at that. it took what, maybe 30 seconds for it to show up. So it found the system update. The text says this update will install a beta version of Android 13, and it gives the version number. This is beta 1. You can tell that because it says TPB1, and then it has the build number after that. So what you want to do is, ideally, you'll plug your phone into some power so your battery doesn't drain while it's downloading and installing this, and you'll have a solid Wi-Fi connection. The update is only 639 megabytes, so it's not that big, but faster Wi-Fi will speed up the process. So we'll hit download and install. The process is the exact same as installing your monthly security updates or any of that other stuff or any other software updates that you install on your device, routine software updates. It doesn't take all that long, but once it reboots, you'll have Android 13 running on your phone, and you'll be able to get an early preview of some of the new features, like new privacy dialogues and permission dialogues for photos, stuff like that. And there's some interesting interface tweaks as well. If you have installed Android 13 on your Pixel device, or you decide to do it using this guide, please leave a comment letting us know what features you like or what features you don't like, what's working and what's not working, which is another big caveat too here. It's a beta. Not everything's going to work. Sometimes you're not going to be able to make a call, and one update can break something that the previous update fixed. So you're going to have to be okay with living with a few bugs here and there. I know in the past, personally, I've had beta program updates through the Pixel's Android program where I was not allowed to make calls or receive calls or send text messages or launch a banking app. And one update, like I said, would fix it, and the next one would break it. And so be careful. Keep that in mind and be willing to do a little troubleshooting on your own and feel comfortable with it. Once again, I'm Jason Cipriani. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment if you have any suggestions or any input on Android 13, and make sure to check out zdnet.com for more tech news and tech tips just like this one.